People are getting sick of meme coins, and so am I. There's AI cryptocurrencies. Are they already a past fad, or will they continue to be relevant in this current cryptocurrency cycle? And the new project that's come across my desk, is it fantastic or not? I'm Bosk. Let's dig into it. Welcome back to the Voscoin YouTube channel. We try to make the best crypto content in the world ever. So I'm Drew Vosk. I'll be your host. This is CoinGecko. It's market cap ranker of cryptocurrencies. And it's just a great way to get a pulse on a lot of things and just kind of really start a lot of different pieces of research. They have an AI category here, artificial intelligence. And for example, if you combine every cryptocurrency that they consider an AI coin here, you reach a valuation of $28 billion, and that's down 5% in the last 24 hours. Looking at the key statistics here, right, we have AI agents making up surprisingly the largest sum of this, and the cumulative market cap is down since the recent pullback. If you watched our video where I ape into a couple random coins on the homepage of Pump Fund, I was up like 10x or something on this crap coin, and then it rugged. And then I was never up on this coin, and it basically rugged, right? And that was just a random example, grabbing projects from the homepage based on different criteria and seeing how that turns out. People are pushing out articles like the DeFi Edge is crypto turning on meme coins? Is this the end of meme coins? What happened? Javier Milei, Argentinian president, promoted meme coin Libra. Yeah, and basically the insiders and devs and whoever else rugged the crap out of that, extracting over $100 million. That's a massive extraction. That makes this one of the biggest meme coins, if not the biggest meme coin rug essentially ever. We'll talk about more about meme coins and low float, high FDV and other things in a future video here on the channel. Let's focus on an AI project who is also today's video sponsor. That's going to be Adrise.ai. Traditional marketing agents are often just not it. Lay back and let AI audit your campaigns, boost your SEO, and generate social media posts that drive engagement. Personally, I'm already exhausted with the AI era, but I see through a lot of AI stuff, and just when you read things, AI has a bit of a certain vibe, if you will. I think that most people honestly won't be able to notice. And if you're a Voscoin viewer, you're already above average IQ, so congratulations. You may be one of the ones that do notice, but here's the thing: I'd rather have AI generated social media presence than no social media presence. And AI is continuing to advance. That's what's intimidating and scary about it, to be frank. So what does Adrise do here? They're mixing copywriting with visual design, SEO audit, optimization, as well as auditing ad campaigns. And you may say, oh, okay, well, what do they want to do? Have a token sale or whatever? So this is one thing I really like about this project. They have basically a bare bones, rough draft up right now. And you can make an account for free, and you can log in, and you get this dashboard and this breakdown here. You can go to social posts, right? And you should watch a Voscoin YouTube video. Let's see what that says. Dive into the world of cryptocurrency with Voscoin. Learn and grow. You should watch a Voscoin video. Is Bitcoin mining worth it in 2025? Bitcoin mining profitability depends on several factors. All right, so it generates this stuff. It gives you a quick generation of what it looks like here. You can connect your X and publish from their dashboard here. They're also integrating visual image AI generation. But what's really cool, right? This is much more expensive to do, much more difficult to do. Is going to be AI video integration. So that I think is what stands out the most to me when I was looking through, doing my initial research here on this project. I generated an SEO report on Voscoin Talk, or community ran forum, and it came back with this results. And when I just go to the straight SEO audit page here based on 100 plus factors, the speed could be bumped up a little bit. It's mobile friendly. It had obviously HTTPS security. and then it has these as critical issues that could be improved. So this is just simply another tool that they have here. We already mentioned their ad campaigns and how they can audit that with their AI function, but this is very much like essentially a roadmap and framework here. Because integrating all of these ads are still all sitting at coming soon. You can create a brand kit by just putting in some basic information here, as you just saw. And where this comes into play is, say I'm generating a post, I can come in here and I can pull the Bosscoin Talk brand kit.
Bosscoin Talk is an open source Bitcoin forum.
Let's generate that and see what that looks like. And I believe this information would be helpful here with the image generation, but that is a coming soon feature. Adrise already has a cryptocurrency. It has a non-verified market cap of 1 million. It's doing 18,000 in volume. And if we go back about a month, we can see that the price has come down from trading around 16 cents to about 1.4 cents. On one hand, you'd love to see this thing skyrocketing and you would feel like, okay, I want to get on that rocket ship. On the other hand, it's been dumping and trending down significantly. So if you like the project and you believe in it and you're bullish, maybe this is a good entry. I want you to do your own research though and make your own decisions on that. So what's the team look like, right? And when I look at the about page, I don't see any information. When I look at the FAQs, it's just here about the project, not much information or additional linking there. We'll pull up their Twitter and look at that. When you click on their pricing, it's currently free, so the pricing doesn't link back to anything. And they also have a stake function. They have their token. It already exists. It's already out there in the ecosystem. You can buy these coins and you can stake it for different periods for a different associated APY, which means that there's going to be a lot of inflation in that token's ecosystem, because if you put your coins in there for 2 months, you can secure a whopping 120% APY. That's a very high inflation rate. When I ran through their Twitter account and what they've posted here, I mean, generally it looks nice, kind of simple, straightforward. What I dislike though is, where's the team? Where's some kind of interview? Where's them at a conference? Where's something that legitimizes the team behind this? When I look at the comments, right, this is a lot of engagement, right? I've been posting on Twitter for a long time, and whether you think I'm cool or not, I don't care. But let me show you what some organic, non-paid engagement looks like. I posted this short, I've got like 8 likes. I posted this screenshot, I've got like 9 likes. I posted this I love Bitcoin tweet basically, and I got 36 likes in an hour. Here's a post from last week that I think is cool, and it got over 100 likes, right? And I've got over 7,000 posts on here and over 57,000 followers for reference, whatever it's worth. To contrast that here, right, we see fire, amazing project, fire, highly recommend. I bet there's gonna be more. Fire, right? These are bot comments or farmed comments and potentially even bot comments. Replies. Is it necessarily Adrise doing that? I can't say that. It could be, a whale in their community. It could be, farming in a Telegram and Discord group, like, hey, go over here and post something positive now. Go, 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 guys. Support your token. You got to pump your bags. Like, that kind of stuff happens in crypto, and a lot of people don't really know or understand about those things. The point, though, it's not authentic engagement. Right, so we pull up their white paper, and their white paper breaks down as a Git book. That's okay, right? And what do I want to see? The team. Okay, we see the pricing of team. Why is it so hard to find the team? Right, founder, creator, developer. There's no team information here. So for me, that's where I'm going to draw a line. I can't recommend this project because there's no team information, and I'm so sick and tired of not seeing team information. If your project's so great and you're so proud of it, attach your name and face to it, just like I put my face on every video. Because if this project goes out there in rugs, who are you going to think about? You're going to think about me after you saw my video about this project. That we were sponsored to create a third-party review and essentially, audit from my average guy point of view. So honestly, I think this, the concept of this is a cool project. I like the branding. I like the marketing. I think that it essentially simply makes sense. And if there's a project that is in this realm that's going to take off and do very well. But For this one, having zero team information, right? No accountability there. It's not for me. You do whatever you want to do, though. Let's close this out in style with 10 seconds of tales. You're on the Voscoin YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tuning in for genuine, authentic reviews, and that's what sets us apart from many crypto influencer shills. See you on the next one.